Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're holding TRX on Robinhood and want to move it over to Coinbase for more trading options, you're in the right place. This guide is tailored for 2025, so we'll cover the latest steps to make the transfer smooth and secure. Whether you're a crypto newbie or a seasoned trader, I'll break it down step by step so you can do this in no time. First things first, make sure you have TRX in your Robinhood wallet and a verified Coinbase account. This is crucial because you'll need both platforms set up to avoid any hiccups. Start by logging into your Robinhood app or website. Navigate to your portfolio, select your TRX holdings, and look for the Withdraw or Transfer option. Robinhood might prompt you to confirm your identity or two-factor authentication here, so double-check that everything is in order. Next, choose the withdrawal method. For TRX, you'll likely select a cryptocurrency withdrawal. Enter your Coinbase wallet address. Don't worry, I'll explain how to get that in a sec. Head over to Coinbase, go to your account settings, and copy the TRX wallet address. Paste it carefully into the Robinhood withdrawal form, and specify the amount of TRX you want to transfer. Remember, there might be network fees, so keep an eye on those to avoid surprises. Once you've confirmed the details, review everything one last time and hit submit. The transfer could take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion in 2025. While you wait, keep your devices secure and monitor your accounts for any unusual activity. A quick tip: always use the official apps and double-check addresses to prevent scams. If you run into issues, like a pending transaction, reach out to Robinhood or Coinbase support. There you have it. That's how to transfer TRX from Robinhood to Coinbase in 2025. It's a simple process that puts you in control of your crypto. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials. Drop your questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.